perfect. I like that. Right? Because what that, oh my god. Is there anything else that's happening right now? Because things seem to be crazy. Oh! I just passed my first 20-minute mark. Oh, for the love of everything. Yeah. I just feel kind of, you know, when you just, I just feel ridiculous right now. So, anyway, I'm not gonna take up too long a time. So now I have to figure out how am I gonna do a video like this. Again, I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Alright, so let me just apologize, right? Some of the video, some of it is muted. I can't. I just really can't. It really, I'm hoping that it's not the majority of the video that happened to, because that would just, anyway, so let me minimize myself for a little bit. Yeah. Now, this is something that we need to pay attention to, right? This over here. You see that? And the beauty about it is, as soon as you do a mouse over, it shows you exactly, you know, what you're going to be moving on to next. So let's say I'll give you another example. Watch. Okay, let's hope that what I am going to show you will make sense. So let's hover over. This is scene 1. It's looking at us right now. Let's go to scene 2. Alright, so we're looking at a little RBE preview, right? Then we'll go over here. I think this is one of my videos, probably a preview of a video that I had recorded, right? Where I am doing some commentary on the blacklist. And then over here, a little premiere battles battle. You understand? So the beauty about that is that it gives you an idea of what. So suppose you make a mistake and something that you had not planned on including is in there. You can always click on the scene, remove it, and then add what it is that you really wanted as part of the presentation. And then when we're, because guess what? When you're done with a segment, you go up to here, you click on pause, switch over to the next scene, right? And then when you're ready now, you press unpause, start recording from scene 2, do that again, go over to scene 3, do that again, go over to scene 4, and then when you want to come to the intro, you go to scene 1, and that's it. Alright? Let me see if I can get rid of this. I mean, yeah, this is fairly straightforward. Right? Fairly straightforward. I don't think there's anything else. There's not much else I can show you where that's concerned. That's fairly simple. I mean, unless you want to press this plus button and add a scene 5. You know. But yeah, so now that we know how to do that, right? Let's have a look at what it would look like. So we click here. Alright. Then how about we click over here. Now mind you, for whatever reason, the videos are not playing directly from the source, because you're supposed to see the volume from under the speaker side. It's supposed to be playing. I think I know why though. I think the better thing to do is to have it play not from XSplit itself, but have it play in the background, right? Because when it plays in the background, it's a little better, right? Because, you know, when you use it as a source in XSplit, it's almost like you're giving it too much work to do. So, you know, there we go. I mean, the videos are playing, you know, in its own, right? Which is, I mean, this is good. And here's why. At least, you know, I can't get hit with copyrights, right? Look at that, guys. It's Gemini versus Rivers. you know, this is the battle rap side of my brain, right? So just to let you know. So scene 4, scene 3, hold on. Yeah, you see that? See that? Yeah, my little commentary about the blacklist. Let's go back to some Big K and Murder Mook. Alright? Big K and Murder Mook. Right? And then we come back to yours truly. Anyway, I'll talk off of the ears. I'm hoping this was helpful. Right? Hoping this was entertaining and informative and all these things. I'm learning about this delay because it's, you know, you have to be mindful of that because it's happened to me a couple of times while I'm recording. So want to pay attention to that because the last thing you want is you're talking and you're talking and you're talking and you have to record everything all over again. Yeah, that's a nightmare. I've been there. I've been there. So again, a little bit. I feel like, why I feel like there's something else I want to show you. Why? I mean, no. The only thing I really want to show is probably how to make the different intros with the one video. But I need to find the source. Once I find the source, yeah. Right? So anyway, let's do that again. We click on scene 3. We click on scene 4. Yeah. And there you have it. Right? So that's just a, you know, hopefully that was straightforward. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.